Hello guys, this is Sinzima Mhlambi, known as Sinzima Motivational 2480. I hope you're all good. I hope you're all feeling well, guys. Before we get on with everything, guys, hit the subscribe button, like the previous videos, and let's keep the love going, guys. So today I'll be doing top 10 most sexiest women in South Africa, guys. This list, I've been doing it since 2018, from year to year. My list has been changing from year to year, but most of the time the list is almost the same. Almost still has the same names and all those things, guys. So but without wasting any of your time, so let's start, guys. The list is based on working out, fitness level, success, also outside the gym, guys, the character, image, and how guys view the lady. The opinion may change from person to person. Remember, guys, this list is based on my opinion and my views and how I judge sexiness for myself. So it may change from person to person, and if you disagree, just give me a comment or give me your own list in the comment section, guys. So let's start. Our number 10, Kamumpela. This lady is literally my crush, guys. She was born on the 29th of October 1999. She's 21 years old, guys. She's from Soweto in South Africa. She's under the record label of Kamumpela Entertainment. She is a dancer, singer, and she became an internet celebrity when she posted a video of herself dancing. She has an amazing body, amazing beauty, guys, and she has this vibe of a Kasi girl, which I love the most about her. And guys, her dancing moves just speaks out for themselves, guys. And then my number 9, Thembisi Ete, the Halle Berry of South Africa. She was born on 25th of March 1977 in Soweto in South Africa. She became an actress known playing role of ladies in Mzansi Magic drama series called Gomorrah. She's literally 44 years old. She looks 30 and she keeps on defying age year by year. Obvious, her body amazing, her beauty on another level, guys. She is my number 9. And then my number 8, Amanda Du Pont. She was born on the 26th of June 1988. She's 32 years old, from Manzini in the Kingdom of Eswatini. Amanda Du Pont is a Swazi-born actress, model, and a TV host. Du Pont is known for her portrayal of Sena at the CW drama series In Life is Wild. She is beautiful, sexy, hot, and unique in this list, guys. She loves working out and her body is well and very well balanced, guys. She doesn't have big booty and all those things, whatever, but if you look at her body, her fitness, her success outside the court, she definitely deserves to be my number 8. And then my number 7, Leila Hariyama, our Japan lady, guys. She was born on the 10th of February 1988. She's 33 years old. She was born in Haratsuka in Japan. Leila is a Japanese. Is a Japanese, but both a South African dancer, actress, model, TV presenter, voice artist, known for hosting Vuzu shows and Masters of Freedom City and V Entertainment. So guys, if you look at Leila, her beauty is so magnificent. I don't even understand her race particularly. You can see she's Japanese, but also she has this feel of a white person, at the same time the vibe and energy of a black person. So guys, she is my number 7. Her body amazing, everything about her is just perfect and on point. And then my number 6, this is a lady whom I feel like she is the hottest, not the sexiest, there's a difference, the hottest in this list. Lodi London, guys. She was born on the 30th of April 1992. She's 29 years old. She was born in Soweto. She's from South Africa. That means Londiwe. No, I'm lying. She's from Durban in KwaZulu-Natal. Londiwe Siphoku Hlezulu is a South African musician, model, and a songwriter. She is so beautiful, guys. Oh my word. Lodi London for me has this amazing body in this list, and we can't wait for her summer pictures. Which I really guys can't wait for her summer pictures. And then guys, my top 5, guys. My number 5, Bonang Matheba, Queen Bee. Born in the 25th of June 1987, aged 33 years old, in Mahikeng in South Africa. Bonang is a South African TV presenter, producer, model, and a philanthropist businesswoman, and she was born in Northwest. She has a flamboyant presenting skills and her signature deep voice, guys. Her voice is so beautiful and it's very deep. That's what I like most, guys. She has this amazing body and she is very rich in guys. So but also while doing this video, I need to be careful on how I use my words. We know these days she's literally suing people for 500k, so I need to be careful. But yeah, she is my number 5 Queen Bee. And then my number 4, whether you like her or you hate her, guys, but she's always been on my top 5, Faith Nketsi Quintwerk. She was born on the 30th of December 1994. She's literally 26 years old, guys, born in Johannesburg in South Africa. Her company is called Feline Management. Faith Nketsi is an influencer, model, rapper, entrepreneur, host, and a dancer. Her body is just next to perfection, guys. Like we have seen her body, whether you like her or you don't like her, but her body, guys, is always on point. She has made great success over her career, and her body and beauty just speaks for themselves, guys. Like, go look at the comments in Faith Nketsi's pictures, guys. You will see guys all over the world going crazy. And then, guys, we are on our top 3. My number 3, Connie Ferguson. Connie Ferguson was born on the 10th of June 1970. She's literally 51 years old, guys. Like, keep that in mind. 51 years old. She was born in Kimberley in South Africa. She owns a company called Ferguson Film Production. Connie is a South African actress, filmmaker, producer, and a businesswoman. She's mainly known as Karabo Moroka in her role in Generation. She's just on her own level, guys. As age 50 plus, she's still in amazing shape and just looks amazing. She literally has abs, guys. I don't know if you have seen that video. She literally has abs as a 51-year-old. Her body is well toned, well balanced. She's just always on point. And then my number 2, Boitie Tulu. She was born on the 28th of April 1990, age 31 years old, born in Potchefstroom in South Africa. The record she's under right now is Def Jam Records. Boitie is popularly known as Boitumelo is popularly known as Boitie. She is an SATV presenter, rapper, actress, businesswoman, and a model. In 2020, Boitie was named as Forbes Africa 30 Under 30 for her contribution towards music and South African entertainment. Like Boitie, guys, every single time she drops a picture, my jaw almost drops, guys. She is so beautiful and her body is so well balanced and well toned, but at the same time she's thick. That's what actually attracts me most about her body. And then my number 1, we all know her. This year she literally destroyed the internet, Twitter of South Africa. Success wise outside the field, her field is not that big, but it's big enough. But her body and her shutting down this year of the internet, just I had to give her number 1, guys. So my number 1, Buhle Samuels. Born in the 25th of May 1990, age 31 right now. Buhle Samuel is popularly known as Matshidiso in Movango. Is an SA TV presenter, speaker, actor, and an influencer. She made our jaw drop with her Charlotte challenge, guys. Earlier we all know that Charlotte challenge in January in TikTok. She made guys like go crazy. I remember how crazy I was going that day. I said, oh my word. And her Johnny Vulgate, do you remember when she was dancing to John Vulgate? My goodness, her body is to die for. She is well balanced, perfectly well toned, and her beauty is just on its own level, guys. So that's my top 10, guys. But if you disagree and you feel like there's another person I missed and all those things, just kindly comment and give me a like and give me a subscribe, guys. And thank you very much. See you next time again with this list, guys. 2021. Shout out. Sharp.